Hey everyone, Angelo Mancios, BehindTheVault.net. Today I'm going to give you 3 tips to boost your RRSP account. Let's go behind the vault. All right, tip number 1 is contribute monthly or bi-weekly to your RRSP account. Don't wait till the end of the year to drop a big lump sum in. Build it slowly throughout the year. Why that's important is because markets go up and down. So you can't time the market. You can't find that low point to go all in on because it's gonna take off. The probability that you're gonna guess that is next to none. So by having that consistent habit of just putting money in, you're gonna see that account build. And listen, sometimes when you put the money in, markets will be up, sometimes they'll be down, sometimes they'll be neutral. That's okay, because it's all gonna average out and even out at the end. That's what's called dollar cost averaging, or the smoothing effect. So every 2 weeks, when you get your paycheck, the next day, pop a little something into your RRSP. Or once a month when you're paying all your bills, pop a little something into your RRSP. Tip number 2 is consider an RRSP loan to get the ball rolling if your RRSP is low. Now, how an RRSP loan works is you'll get a big chunk of money, whether it's $10,000, $20,000, $30,000, whatever the number is, right? And then you're gonna pay interest on that every month. Now, the benefit of that is that you've got a large amount that's growing versus small amounts to get to that large number. So that amount will grow quicker. The other thing too is people will say, well, yeah, but now I have a debt. I've got this loan to pay. Yeah, but you know what? If you're contributing monthly, what's the difference between, say, for example, putting $500 a month into your RRSP versus $500 towards the loan payment? If I'm putting $500 towards a loan payment over, let's say, 3 years, and you're going to give me the $18,000 up front, that $18,000 is going to grow quicker than the $500 a month that I'm going to put in. So that's the strategy. If you want to give it a little bit of a boost, if you want to kickstart it a little bit, an RRSP loan could be the way to go. Number 3, manage the tax. I've told you this time and time again. The RRSP is a tax deferral tool. It is designed to take your income in a high earning year, shelter that tax, and then when you take the money out, you pay lower tax for it. So manage it. If you're having a year where maybe you didn't work as much, or you're, let's say, on commission and you had a slow year, or whatever the case may be, manage the tax. If you have your retirement plan in place, you'll know already what your tax bracket is going to be at retirement. So let's say that number's 30%, all right? I'm not putting money into my RRSP account in that scenario until my tax bracket exceeds 30%. Because if I know I'm gonna be at a 30% tax bracket at retirement, I'm not gonna fund my RRSP when I'm in a 20%. I'm gonna save 20 today to pay 30 later. That doesn't make sense. But once I get into that 33, 35, 40% tax bracket or above, hey, I'll save 40% tax today to pay 30% tax later. All right, those are your 3 tips. You've been Behind the Vault. Hey everyone, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you like and comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, and here's our next video.